Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll guide you on how to block a program using Windows Defender Firewall in Windows 11 or 10. If you want to block a specific app from sending unauthorized data, showing ads, or downloading automatic updates, then this video will help you. For example, I have an application like CapCut, and I want to block it in the firewall so it can no longer connect to the internet or receive future updates. So, adding an application to the firewall is very easy. First, go to Windows Search, type Windows Defender Firewall, and open it. In Windows Defender Firewall, click on Advanced Settings. It will open Windows Defender Firewall with Advanced Security on local computer. Click on Outbound Rules from the left-hand side. After clicking it, you'll see the Actions menu on the right side. Here, click on New Rule. This will open the Outbound Rule wizard window. Now select Program. Because we are going to block application, then click Next. Next, we need to add the program path here. You can click Use Browse and look for program path, but I'll show you an easier way to find the program path. Right-click on the application you want to block and select Open File Location. This will take you to the folder where the application is installed. Now right-click on the application again and select Copy as Path. Go back to the Firewall window. Right-click in the program path field and paste it there. After pasting, remove the double quotation marks from the beginning and end of the path, then click Next. Now select Block the connection and click Next again. Leave all three options selected, then click Next one more time. After that, you can give the rule any name you want. I'll name it Block CapCut and then finally click Finish button. Once the application is added to the firewall, you'll see it listed in Outbound Rules. What this does is block the application from connecting to the internet, so it will only work in offline mode. This is really useful if you want to block apps like Adobe software or any other application from updating or communicating with servers. And if you no longer want the app blocked, you can simply select the Outbound Rule from the list, press the delete key, and confirm by clicking Yes. This will remove the firewall rule that we created. So that's how you can block a program using Windows Firewall. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.